Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to try our luck at a random game and see how it goes. As always, I will try to do my best explaining what I'm thinking. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for the columns. That's these cards right here. It looks like there's a move here, there's a move here, a move here. Now I'm a little cautious on bringing in these low cards, but this card does come from a pretty big column, so we're going to take the risk there. Same thing here, a little cautious. The column's smaller, but I'd like to have it open for a king potentially. That's good. We can move the ace up there. It's not the ace of diamonds, but it's good. Looks like we can move these two sixes as well. We can move this 6 over to here. That's good. Oh, we can put this 2 up here. And we can move this 6 over to here. Okay, we've done pretty good so far. It looks like we have 5 different columns with cards. If we can open 1 or 2 of those up. We're also going to be looking for a red king. If we can find a red king, we may move this queen over here and open up this column. So that's what we're thinking going forward here. And with this draw pile, I like to save early cards for insurance. Obviously, there's no early card we can play here. Now, there is a debate, potentially. You notice there's a queen right here. And there is also a queen of clubs on the right. The question is, which one should we play? This one's going to be close. If we get a red king, I don't know if this move is more valuable or the queen of spades is more valuable. I really don't. I almost am inclined to think that this queen may be more valuable if there's no other moves in the draw pile. But we'll see. Because being able to play this card allows us to move a bunch more cards in the draw pile and manipulate what they're doing. The good news is we have a jack right here and a king. We're not going to play them yet. We're just going to wait and see how this shakes out. We have 2 aces we'd like to be able to move as well. We are going to play this 5 here, and I'm going to play the 4. Now, we do need to play the king, but we're going to hold off. We're going to play the earlier king, because usually it's probably about 90 to 95% of the time it's better to play if you get 2 cards of the same rank and everything in color, it's usually better to play the one that's early in the draw pile. Usually, there's always exceptions to that, but most of the time that's the case. So, gotta go through here. This 3 hearts is a good card. I think there's a 4 hearts early on, so we can play that next time around maybe. So, okay, we have a jack here. We're gonna hold off on that. We can play this. We're gonna start by playing these aces and the 4 hearts, and then work our way back. So 4 hearts. Play the ace of spades and the ace of clubs. And then deuce of spades. Now, we're not going to play this jack yet. This is kind of our insurance card at the moment. We need to be able to play this if we don't have any other moves. So we're just going to see what other stuff develops here. We have an interesting choice here, really, now. We can move the 4 or the 5. Or, sorry, the 4 of clubs or the 4 of spades. We'd like to be able to move both, but we need the 2 of diamonds to go up here to do that. That is one of the reasons why I don't like to bring these low cards over from the draw pile usually. This one we brought, of course, from one of these columns, so it's kind of... We don't really have a choice. Well, we do have a choice, but sometimes it's better just to open up the columns, because once you get the kings down, you can make more moves. So we're going to try the 4 of spades and see if there's anything there. Not a lot. Oh, there is something there. The reason I say there is something there, there's this 10. We can put it under the jack. But what we're going to do is we're going to undo that move. We're going to put it back here, and we're going to wait and see if that move plays out. Because the other option is this 4 right here, which gives us a spot for 2 kings. Either may be good. One may be better than the other. We don't know yet, so... And the same thing here, we got a king. We're going to hold off. Oh, there it is, the ace of diamonds. It's a very valuable card, because that's going to allow us to play both 4s. Now we can put this 4 here, and we'll be able to play the 4 of spades. We'll move the diamonds up first. 3 of spades. Oops, 3 of spades here. 4 of spades here. You can also put the 4 diamonds up. And I think that's about it for DR. So now we'll be able to move this over here. But we waited. We wanted to play it safe and see how this developed. What we're trying to do in essence is maximize the number of moves we have. Some of these, you know, maybe 10 to 15% of these games you can solve just playing straight up. If you wait and you maximize the number of moves, your win percentage is going to go way up. So like here, okay, we get the 7 and we get the 9. I think this 8 of spades is going to be way more valuable because it's going to open up this big column here. We do have 3 kings, but we're going to play the 8 of spades and see how it goes. Okay, that's good. Now we have a 3 of clubs we'd like to be able to move. The question is, what card should we break down? And I think the 4 of hearts is a better choice right now, but I could change my mind. The reason being is there's a 5 of diamonds here and a 6 of diamonds here. If we can find the 2 of clubs, well, we can move everything up there, but we'd like to be able to move potentially diamonds, but we'll see how it goes. So there's a 10. Can't do anything with that. 2 red 10s in the back. Okay. Now I'll go through. I think the jack is going to be the first move, but I'm going to see if there's anything behind there. Oh boy. I almost feel like the diamonds were the better move here because of the 6 of hearts. If we get a 5 of hearts, we can move the 6 of hearts up because we'd already have the 4 of hearts up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back a couple moves right here, and we're going to take the 4 diamonds down, and we're going to put the 3 of clubs here. Because technically this 4 of clubs is blocking the 5 of diamonds, so we'll see how this goes. So going through again. Oh, there's the 5 of hearts right there. Yeah. That may be the better play. Oh, that makes it interesting. We get a ring. Okay, I just seen a move here. There's 2 red kings. We got to bring both of them down so we can bring the queens down. We also have to figure out a way to open up another column over here so we could get this 5 of hearts here, and then we can play the 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts, and then play some other cards. So that's going to be the trick here. So jack goes right here, 10 of clubs goes there, and that's an interesting card. Interesting card. I almost think I want to bring down the other. We need a red queen though. I don't know if we have a red queen here. I almost think I want to bring down the other card, but we're going to do this. We're going to bring down this king. We're going to play this queen and see how that goes. Okay, that's good. That's a red queen. There's the 2 of clubs. That's a beautiful card because it opens up a column which takes care of our king problem. Now we can play 3 of clubs, 4 of clubs, 5 of clubs, and we can play the diamonds as well. Now we can play spades. Now we can play diamonds again. And I think we're stopped there. Do we have another move? We don't have another move yet. We will, I believe. Then we can play the 6 of hearts down below because we want to bring down this king. We can also play this 8 of diamonds. Now we can play the queen. Now we can bring this king up. The question is, should we bring it up yet? And that's a good question. These are the very first 2 cards in the draw pile. If it's played like this and we don't do anything, the next card that would show up would be the king, or no, sorry, the 7 of spades. But if we play it, the king of spades will show up, or the 8 of hearts. So I think any one of these cards we can play. So the good news is that means we can basically play this right here. So we're going to do that. Now the 6 of clubs goes up top, 5 of hearts goes here, 6 of hearts here, 7 of hearts. We're getting really close to solving this, I believe. I don't think, yeah, we're going to solve this no matter what scenario they throw at us here. Jack goes here, 9 of diamonds up. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna get this solved here. So 8 of hearts, king, 7 of spades, 8 of spades, 9 of spades, and let's see. 9 of hearts goes up, and we have solved it. So, not the hardest, not the easiest, but more on the easy side. But hey, we got it done. So, just wanted to thank you for watching and wish you good luck. I am signing out.